Hi everybody, it's Manana. Welcome to my channel. Do make sure that you are subscribed and also do like the video. So my name Selegu is in Johannesburg. It's not clear if she's there for work or just hanging out with friends, but she looks like she's having some fun. And as part of her trip to Joburg, it does sound and look like she is continuing to promote the gambling app One Win. Okay, and you guys, I've seen so many of South African influencers promoting this app. Initially, I was shocked by the fact that the Mselegos were promoting the gambling app because remember that Selego had said to South Africans that they don't do any business that is not physical. So if you are being asked to invest money, um, emabhanoyini, you are asked to invest in cryptocurrency and all of that. That is not what they do. Most of the times, those are scams. And that's why in the beginning, when Mayan started promoting the app, people thought that the videos were AI made because the family had made it clear that they are never going to promote such. But it looks like they've changed their mind because here they are promoting a One Win. So many people, you guys, have given positive feedback when it comes to One Win. I'm just suspicious of these gambling apps, you guys, and I don't think that they're good, but other people are claiming that they've made money from it. These are just average people, you guys. And I did go and check if they haven't had any issues with One Win, maybe in other countries, because that could be an indication for South Africans if it's a safe thing to get into. It looks like they do have a license to operate in South Africa. They have had issues in Russia, for an example, where there was an issue with users' data being used illegally. So there was that case. So there are countries where the app has been banned, but the articles are clear that in South Africa they've only had positive results, and they haven't had issues that they've had in other countries, and they do have the license to operate in South Africa. So maybe it is an opportunity for some of you that do not mind gambling to make some money. But anyways, you guys, Mayeni looks like she's having fun in Joburg. She does not want people to be asking her about Musam Sediku. She's taking a break, you guys. She's taking a break. Anyways, thank you so much. Cool.
Ngiphethwe yi-swine flu mhlambe bekuyiyona nje ukuthi-ke phela kangiyazi hayi wena mabonga awukho thank you guys hayi wena mabonga awukho right angikwazi nje ukuthi yini futhi ngakutshela ukuthi mabongi zwani ngena ku-inbox ushiye inamba yakho cela usichazele on how to buy i-voucher ka-One Win kwi-Capitec app angiyitholi i-option on my app we-ima wengane yasekhaya lalela angithi laphayana uzofike uthi deposit ngopress deposit bese kuvela into ye-bank lapho then you select u-Capitec. Emva kokuselect u-Capitec, if you want to buy i-voucher ka, let's say 150, you will type 150 iphinde iveze i-redirected to your account. Uma ngabe seyingena kwi-account yakho kwi-app ngena kuyona uzobe sewuyathi selecta u-buy voucher, then ku-buy voucher izobe seyiyavela u-one voucher, and iyona ila isatholakala kahle khona-ke kwi-app ngoba le ema-shop engathi hayi beyisasinikeza inkinga okwamanje. So nje yenza kanjani. Refresher wemoli. Refresher uphinde kodwa ngizobabuza nje banisho kanjalo ukuthi kwenzakalani kodwa nje kwi-app iyona ndlela yokuyithenga kanjalo. Mhlambe kuzofanele mangiqeda ngipostele i-video on how to deposit. Hi Kanye. Hi Zamzam. Hi Mondise. Yamabizo njani? Wemashibasi. I hope uzwile ke nje badukuza ukuthi ke ifakwa kanjani. Hayi Thinini. Ise Rosebank manje. Kodwa ngizosuka nomini mangiqeda la. Idlulela kwenye indawo. Ngihambile phela ngifuna sabalala nje ngigcwale yonke le ndawo.
Confuse the enemy shivers.
Ngiyakutshela. So nje ngeke nje ngiyangitshela ukuthi nje mangisuka la ngiya kwenye indawo yazi right kodwa my friend uzongcina ngila ngizobe sengingasekho nje few minutes qeda lento engiyiphuzayo ngiyadlula nogcwala kwenye indawo. Ayebo sayisekuseni ukephi umusa? Hayi bo nginitshelile nje ukuthi nginothento wayezongibuza umusana nangu umuntu engihleli naye nangu nyambona nginothento mina lana angihleli nomusa uMr Mseleku ukwakhe nina njave nixoxa nina umuntu uthe xoxa enye indaba nimbone ukuthi ukwenye indawo nimbuze nimfake omunye umuntu ayisuka hayi mina ninjalo ke kodwa umuntu uzokangibuze nje umkamseleku ninjalo nje Isibo uyaphila kodwa sisi angisakwazi Wea angikho koShabeni shembe ngoShabeni lasibuya yekani ukungibuza ubaba uMseleku akekho la ngikhona Isaac singeke uhlangane nami ngeke andizi akikho nje lapha no siphumile besikade sizulile sivuke saya kuSpa manje sesidle breakfast sisohamba futhi siye kwenye indawo it's good to see you too sis angisakwazi hoping bayaphila lapha abantu bakho yo nangani ngibuza Themba ukuthi ngizanini kwaBulawayo ikephi kwaBulawayo exam organizer ke lapho ke ngizoza kwaBulawayo hayi bo guys angikho ku-date
I'm here.
She's here. Isona sikhathi engisitholayo lesi emva kwalesi angeke nje ngisaba khona sobe sengigcwele izigange zonke hayi kumnandi ke vele koShabeni guys angifuni nje ukuhlala ngani kumnandi kakhulu Ngiyabonga mabusi ngiyabonga iyafika nje le ndawo.
I asked her, how far? She's blue ticking. Let's see if she responds.
Oh, maybe she's just around.
Not that.
Hayi wena unjani?
Simele umakoti.
Ni-right kodwa. Ngiyasibongela webandleni. Hayi lekuhamba.
20 minutes.
She's 20 minutes away. So sisaqeda nokuphuza le nto. Ngiyabonga Lee. Whitney. Nifuna ukuphumula nina, nifuna ukusigiva nje nishaye kwi-screen nje. Nifuna nisisho. Hey, futhi indaba yenu kodwa ayasazi-ke kuyozwakala. Kuyobonakala sekungaleso sikhathi. Kuyobonakala ngaleso sikhathi. Sisimapulu yasebenza. Wezakes. Isho igama lakhe likasisi ngefoni isoleyo. Ubonke igama lami ukusisi bakithi. Mabuka ukuthi usho le ngihleli naye igama lakhe uThena.
So I should tell them I'm one of two.
Yeah, bama-twins, but ke la ngino-10. Later on, zobe nolufuno. Zobe senginabo boyi-2. Hi, Kagamani. Ngiyabonga-ke guys. Cela nibe nosuku oluhle. Ni-enjoy usuku lwenu. I-weekend imnandi bakithi. Enjoy. Abadansayo badanse kahle. Bangashayani. Phela abanye abantu ziyabeqa izinto bashayane manje bese bephuzile. Base beyabonele nabanye kanti kusuke kusamnandi kwabanye. So nje guys, enjoyani Saturday wenu. Sile kusasa isonto. Ayiphindi ibonane. Kulawo bangani bami, I will post a video on how to load the voucher, and the voucher is available with app, with bank. So guys, don't go to Spaza shop with my friend angazi noma basakhona yini. Nambe ngiyothenga i-1 voucher ngoba manje uzoba nenkinga. So you better load it via bank app. Abhayini ke bafowethu, ube nosuku olumnandi. Thatha ama-chance laphayana, ama-bonus laphayana o-30%. So umnandi.